Imagine this. What if your hiccups never ever stopped? Hiccups are annoying, but what if one bout lasted your whole life? Meet Charles Osborne. In 1922, he started hiccuping and didn't stop for 68 years. That's right, over 430 million hiccups. Imagine every meal, every conversation, every single day interrupted. Doctors tried everything. Hypnosis, bizarre cures, sneezing tricks, nothing worked. Osborne even learned to breathe between hiccups just to eat, yet he kept his sense of humor, raised a family, and lived a full life. His hiccups finally vanished in 1990, just a year before he passed away. 68 years of non-stop hiccups, an accidental world record. So next time you hiccup, think of Charles Osborne, the man who couldn't stop and still kept going. Remember to follow for more mind-blowing facts at Mind Blowing Facts.